Welcome to another University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener Tuesday tip. Today we're going to show you how to trim an espalier tree. Hi, I'm Brad with the University of Missouri's Extension Master Gardeners. And with me today is Kathy, also an Extension Master Gardener and Garden Coordinator at the Project Living Proof Partnership Garden. We are at Project Living Proof Partnership Garden, where we have a well-established fruit tree in an espalier form ready for late winter trimming. Before we start trimming, I want to introduce the Metropolitan Energy Information Center's Project Living Proof. Located at 917 Emmanuel Cleaver Boulevard, PLP opened its doors in 2011 as a one-of-a-kind, eco-friendly demonstration house. It is a historic home that was fully retrofitted for energy efficiency. Outside, Kansas City's Extension Master Gardeners have turned the front and backyards of PLP into a vegetable, herb, fruit, and native plant garden. These gardens support local food banks with fresh vegetables and fruit, while supporting bees, native pollinators, and birds. So what is an espalier tree? In simplest terms, it is a fruit or ornamental tree trained in a formal style in just two dimensions, height and width. The original intent of this design was to maximize fruit production in a very small, limited area. An espalier tree is really an art form that creates a focal point that can enhance a bare wall or create a living screen. The tree at PLP is established in the tiered cordon espalier style, and our trimming today is targeted towards maintaining its form.
The best time to do any maintenance trimming is late winter, before the buds break and the tree begins to leaf out.
Stop any trimming by late summer so as not to encourage any growth that will not be able to harden off before winter.
Remember to sanitize your tools between each cut when possible.
Spraying your hand pruners, saw, or other cutting tools with 70% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, or a 10% bleach solution is sufficient. Start the trimming process by an overall examination of the tree for the 4 Ds: dead, damaged, diseased, and deranged. That determines what trimming needs to be done.
So now you're ready to take out any diseased or damaged limbs that you've identified. For example, here, I'm going to take this right back to the next lower node. Now remove any crossing limbs, and in this case we have one right here that's crossing with this one, so we're going to take it all the way back to its point of origin.
Then remove any water sprouts from the tree trunk and lateral limbs. These are usually spindly, unsightly branches growing vertically, usually on apple trees. Now we find the basal node or leaf on each limb. This is the node that bears the fruit. Count up 2 leaf buds from the basal node and make a cut. Repeat for each limb. Remember, it's always easier to make multiple small cuts than it is to put a limb back on the tree. For this particular tree, Kathy will trim the lateral limbs that have reached the desired length, or they're at the end of the support. Trimming the limb ends will keep the form tidy. Once you're done, you now have a tree ready for the growing season. Compost, mulch, or properly dispose of any clippings and cuttings. Finish all trimming projects by cleaning your tools, then sharpen them, getting them ready for the next trimming project. Watch our Tuesday tip on sharpening tools for more information. Visit Project Living Proof's website for house tour information. And visit the PLP Garden at 917 Emmanuel Cleaver II Boulevard in Kansas City, Missouri. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our next video. See you in the garden.